The historic season for Carpinteria boys water polo continued this afternoon as the Warriors hosted a CIF-State Division III SoCal Regional semifinal. The Warriors taking on San Guido Academy from Encinitas. Carp offense got rolling late in the first period. Sophomore star Asher Smith ties the game at 1. Next time down, Carp scores again. This time Justin Main lines up the shot. He scores, and then Smith capped off the scoring in that first period, and Carp led 3-1 after 1. Big crowd again at Carp Community Pool. Second period, Mateo Handel is out in front. He makes it 4-1 Warriors. Carp goalie Jacob Tapp was terrific. He recorded 15 blocks and more offense and more from Asher Smith. He had a game-high 5 goals. Carp led 5-1 at half. They win 11-3. Carp, which won their first ever CIF Southern Section Championship last Saturday, they're going to play for a SoCal Regional Division III title this Saturday against Palisades at a time to be announced.